flying away. All my skies are cloudy, everything is gray. But soon I'll find a rainbow, 'cause I'm gonna go to a little paradise where rainbows glow. Let it rain, let it pour, it ain't gonna rain where I'm heading for. I'll be in Virginia in the morning, where the skies are always blue and the bright sunshine welcomes you. When that dewy Dixie day is dawning, there I'll meet my sweet forget-me-not. There is where I live and love a lot. I'm shouting, I ain't pouting, let it rain, let it pour. Say I won't cry, but I'll smile once more. I'll be in Virginia in the morning. I love the ham and the chicken and the eggs and the chicken and the corn and the chicken and the pie. Oh boy, I'm gonna yell when I hear that breakfast bell. Of course, I love sweet potatoes and I like hot tomatoes, but the thing that tickles my eye is the ham and the chicken and the eggs and the chicken and the corn and the chicken and the pie. Just picture me when I get off of that train, in my dear old mammy's arms again. I love her, yes, I'll hug her. Casey Jones, he's my friend, he'll wake me up at my journey's end. I'll be in Virginia in the morning,